Are you an owner of an art gallery? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your art gallery business. So here, as a manager of an art gallery, I'm receiving multiple inquiries from clients as well as customers related to the workshops, exhibitions, etc. Manually handling each of the inquiry and the message is a time-consuming task. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot. So I am going to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for my art gallery, which is going to handle entire WhatsApp messages automatically, and also it is going to automate the entire responses for me. And I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for your business, if you also want to learn the process of this WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot easily without any coding and programming skills for our art gallery. So here, as an owner of an art gallery, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages regarding the featured artists, upcoming events, tickets, etc. on regular basis. Manually handling each of the inquiry, each of the message of my customer and replying to each of the customer or client on time is a confusing as well as hectic task. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process by setting up a WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So before moving forward, first of all, let me show you that how our WhatsApp chatbot is actually going to work. For creating the WhatsApp chatbot, here we have to create a flow like this, which is going to chronologically decide what message should be sent next. Okay. So here I will take you towards WhatsApp, and first of all, I will show you a real example that how the bot will actually work. So as soon as a customer or a client is going to send a message on the WhatsApp number of art gallery related to any of the inquiry which they have, hello, please share the duration of the event. As soon as the customer will send this message, so we got the reply over here. Hello and welcome to ArtSphere, your gateway to stunning art and vibrant exhibitions. May I know your name? When the customer will reply their name, let's say amazing customer, just a random name I'm replying. So here automatically I got a reply along with my name which I have given. Thanks amazing customer, can you please share your email? When I will reply my email. So you can see that I got another message with some buttons. So here the bot is going to provide easy buttons so that customers could click. Let's say I'm going to click on this button, book tickets. Here's how I got a reply so that I can easily book my ticket by going on this link. So in this way, our bot is going to work. Now, after understanding that how the bot is going to actually work, let's start creating this chatbot step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we need to open a new browser and we have to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. It will take us towards the home page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software, and also you can test multiple WhatsApp chatbots with that. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, from where we can manage all our credits that are allotted to us. Here we can see that the credits allotted, we have the credits that we have consumed and the remaining credits as well. Apart from creating chatbots, we have some other amazing features as well inside Pabbly Chatflow that I'm going to tell you quickly in brief. Although we have already created separate videos in detail for each of these features, you can go and watch each of the video from our YouTube channel in case if you want to learn in detail about each of the features. So first of all, we have inbox, where we can manage the sent as well as received messages from our customers or clients. So if you're using Pabbly Chatflow, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web or your WhatsApp account again and again to check for the new messages. You can manage all the messages which you have sent as well as the received messages from here at one place. Apart from this, you can also check the status of the sent messages, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers. Then we have contact section, by using which you can create separate list of your contacts on the basis of different requirements, and then you will be able to send messages separately to each of the list, that too in the customized format. Then we have the team queue section, by using which you can assign chats to different
team members. So if you're having different kind of customers related to different requirements or different products or services, you can assign different chats to different team members. Also, you can use round robin method over here to assign chats separately one by one to each of the team members so that you can assign equally. And with the help of this feature, you can also track the performance of each of your member, and it will increase your productivity as well as team collaboration. Then we have the template section, by using which you can create customized templates along with a media, document, file, etc. to be sent to your customers, clients, leads, employees, anyone, that too in the personalized format. Then we have the broadcast section, by using which you can send mass messages to different separate list of your customers, your clients or leads with the help of separate templates. And then finally we have the flow. That is the highlight feature of Pabbly Chatflow. So with the help of Flow Builder, you can create WhatsApp chatbots for your businesses effortlessly. So let's get started to create a WhatsApp chatbot for our art gallery. And to start creating a flow, we have to click on this Add Flow button. It will provide a blank flow over here which we have to complete. First of all, let's provide a name to our flow. Artsphere Art Gallery bot. After giving the name to my flow, now I'm going to start it. So how you want to start your flow? Whether you can use a separate template to start your flow, or also you can use certain keywords. So when you're going to receive certain keywords as a messages from your customers, your flow is going to start and the bot is going to start responding to the customers. For example, here in my case, because I'm going to receive the messages related to my art gallery, it could be hi, a hello, or timings or updates, or related to exhibitions, duration, as well as workshops. These are some of the common keywords which I could receive as messages from my customers. So I will select each of these words as my keywords. Let's say hi. In order to convert a word into keyword, you will just type the word and you will select enter. And as you will do that, you can see that the word has turned to blue and it is added as a keyword. Now the next will be, let's say hello, let's say hey, or time, or let's say duration, or let's say artwork, or it could be workshop. Apart from this, you might receive dynamic responses from your customers as well. So it's not possible that every time you are going to receive only exact messages which you have selected as keywords. You could receive messages with variations as well. So here, for example, somebody is sending you a message. Hey, I want to know about the duration of the workshop. Workshop is your keyword, but exact workshop is not received over here. We have received a full sentence. Therefore, when you are going to add keywords in regex format, this problem will be solved. So every time you're going to receive a paragraph or a text message from your customers which will contain certain keywords, then automatically Flow is going to identify those keywords, match it, and the bot will get started. Alright, so in this way you can add your keywords in the regex format as well. Okay, we have a particular format of regex. How you have to enter it? You have to enter /b, you will open a bracket, then you will start entering your keywords. Let's say first word is hello. You will separate the keywords with the help of the bar sign, and here we have the next word, let's say hey, then we have workshop. In the similar manner, you will enter all the keywords which you want. Again, you will close the bracket, you will enter /b. In this way, you have to use your regex. If you are receiving any case sensitive regex, just toggle this button on. It will handle everything. Now, once the flow is started, what you want? I want to ask name of my customer or my client so that I will be able to further address them with their name, and I will be able to make the communication proper as well as personalized. So here I want to ask the name of my customer or the client who is messaging. Therefore, I'm going to go towards actions. Here I will drag down the option of ask question. And here, as I have done that, I'm going to connect this ask question step with my flow start. And here in the message, I'm going to enter, hello and welcome to Artsphere. Here I have used stars to make the name of my gallery bold. You can also make your WhatsApp chatbot creative according to your choice by adding different kind of fonts, styles or emojis. Then we have, hello and welcome to Artsphere, your gateway to stunning art and vibrant exhibitions. May I know your name? So here I want to receive name as the reply. Therefore, I'm going to select full name option from my contact custom field. As I've selected full name from contact custom field, when I'm going to receive reply from my customers along with their name will be automatically added into contact section of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then further I will be able to communicate with my customers along with their name. Okay, automatically. Then here we have the format of the name, that will be text. If you want to provide reattempt so that if they want to make any changes in their name, they can just reattempt the name. And also apart from this, you can send a validation message. Now, as I'm going to receive the name as a reply, I also want to ask email of the customers. Now, as I'm going to receive name as a reply from my clients or customers, I then want to ask about their email so that further I will be able to send them the updates regarding my art gallery, new product launches, duration of new workshops which we are going to conduct, or exhibitions. So here for that I'm going to once again select ask question option, and this time I'm going to once again connect it, and I will send a message related to email. And here I've entered thanks full name. Again I'm going to use some stars to make it bold. Can you please share your email address so we can keep you updated about upcoming exhibitions and events? Here I have entered full name along with a $sign in order to make this particular name as variable. So once I will receive the name as reply from my customers or my clients, every time in the next message I am going to use this variable along with a $sign. The name of that customer is going to appear. Okay, in this way I will be able to make my communications personalized. And I want to collect email this time, so here I have selected contact custom field as email, and here we have the option of email as well. Now after I'm going to receive the name and the email from my customer, I want to send a message to them that what my bot can help. So here I'm going to send a text message along with buttons so that easily customers will be able to select the buttons and they can select that what kind of help they require. So the message will be, what would you like to explore? Please choose an option below. And I'm going to simply add buttons. So first button will be if in case customers or the clients want to know about the upcoming events or exhibitions. Then the second button will be for featured artist. Then here the third button will be for book tickets in case if the customer want to book tickets for the event or the workshops. Now here for each of these three buttons I am providing different messages. So first of all, if in case the customer or the client is going to select upcoming events as the button, then I want to send them the message regarding upcoming events which we are conducting. So for that here I'm going to send the message as, here's what's upcoming at Artsphere. The Soul of Color first is Abstract by Meera Sen, April 20 to 30, Brush and Beyond Contemporary Art Week, May 5 to 12. Would you like to book tickets? Just tap the option below. And here I'm going to add a button to book tickets. In case after reading my message, if the customer or client want to book the message, they can click on this button. If not, they can just go back to menu. If the customer is going to click on this button back to menu, then I'm going to connect back to menu button with the welcome message. And if the person is going to select book tickets, then I'm going to send them another message as, you can easily book your tickets here. Here I have provided a ticket booking link as well, and also we look forward to welcoming you. So this is the message. If the customer wants to book the ticket, they can click on this button and they will get the link from where they need to book their tickets. Okay, so here I have sent the message. Now let's move forward. In case if my customer wants to click on this button, featured artist, if they click on this button, then they are going to receive another message for that regarding the artists which are featured. So I will send the message to them as, our currently featured artists are Arav Patel. Then we have Liana Roy and Zara Khanna. Explore their work and get inspired. Also, again, if they want to book ticket after reading this message, I have given them a button. And then quickly I'm going to connect this book tickets button with the same message which I have sent for book tickets earlier, where I'm sending the link to them. Now, all right. Again, here we have the third option, that is again book ticket. So I'm going to quickly connect this book ticket button with my previous message. Okay, so as you can see that here we have completed the flow. First of all, we have selected some of the keywords. As soon as we are going to get the keywords, our flow is going to start automatically. And when the flow will start, the bot will start responding to the messages of the customers. It will first of all ask their name, then further it will address them along with their name and ask their email. As they will provide the email, we will provide them the options which they want to explore. According to each of the options, we have decided some of the messages, whether they want to book the tickets for the event, they want to know about the events or the artist. So we have completed the flow. I have kept it simple, but if you want, you can also add more details over here, more fields, such as you can send them media, you can send them catalogs, brochures, etc. as well. Now keep in mind that whenever you're going to move forward towards each of the step of your flow, keep saving your flow. It will be updated and you will not lost it. So once we have completed the flow, now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the flow is working fine or not. This is the WhatsApp number of my art gallery, and now I'm going to send a simple message as a client or a lead who is inquiring about the art gallery. Here, as I have sent the message, it is replying me, hello and welcome to Artsphere, your gateway to stunning art and vibrant exhibitions. May I know your name? So let me provide a random name as a customer. Let's say Smart User. as I have given the name smart user. Now it is replying me with my name. Thanks, smart user. Can you please share your email? So let me send an email as well. As soon as I've sent the email, it is replying me back. What would you like to explore today? Please choose an option. Upcoming events, featured artists, or book tickets. So we have buttons over here. Simply the customer can select any of the button which they want. Let's say I have selected upcoming events. So it is saying, here's what upcoming at Arts Fair. These are the details. And now if I want, I can click on this button, book tickets. So it is going to send me a link where I can book my ticket. Also, when I'm going to click on back to menu, here it is taking me back towards the menu. I'm going to click on this featured artist button, let's say. So I'm receiving the message. Okay, again and again, we are also sending book tickets option so that we can encourage the customers or the clients to book the tickets. All right, now here how our flow is working. This means our flow is correct. Also, it is working fine. So the bot is properly responding. I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. You can also create it very easily by following the steps I have shown you in the video. Thank you for watching.
Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.